Now we are going to go back to our kinematic equations. But now we are going to use the angular kinematic equations. Again, we have to assume in order to use these equations that the angular acceleration is constant. So the angular acceleration for these equations to be valid must be the same value the whole way through the motion. The relationships look exactly the same as they did for the linear motion. So we see here that velocity is going to increase as time increases, so this is a linear relationship, but displacement is going to increase as time squares, so this is a parabolic relationship. And we see once again we have our one equation that doesn't have time in it, and we are still assuming that the average angular velocity when the acceleration is constant is this, which gives this relationship here. So even though acceleration is not part of this equation, it still has to be constant acceleration.